Greetings to one and all. I am Mihadeep Kaur of class 12th and I held on the main concept of our project work. And I also contributed in the development and main idea of this project. We are team of R.D. Khosla DAV Model Senior Secondary School Batala. And the theme which we have chosen is to explore the space, and the problem which we are solving is to make the visualization possible of the objects which are moving in the outer space. Also, this would help us to explore the virtual space more efficiently as well. Now we keep an eye on ATL Space Challenge 2021. The World Space Week 2021 that is celebrated from 4th to 10th October by United Nations General Assembly in order to celebrate the space science and technology. Then a question arises in our mind that why World Space Week celebrated from 4th October to 10th October? Because its main purpose is to educate the people around the world about space and also to popularize the astronomy and other space-related subjects. There was a launch of the first human-made Earth satellite named as USSR's Sputnik 1, which was taken place on October 4 in 1957. Also, the signing of the Outer Space Treaty, which was taken place on October 10 in 1967. Looking forward towards the facts or thoughts on which we came up with the idea of our project work. What is the main motive? As we all are familiar with this thing that there is so much information around us about the universe that makes us came upon a point that where it becomes impossible to visualize or to understand it without a computer or more specifically technology. So further on, in order to overcome this problem, there is a need of such an incredible work.
I am Sahajdeep Singh from class 10 and I am contributing in the backend and the mathematical part of this project. We think to make a virtual space which can perform simulations of the outer space through which we can see the movements by the objects placed at certain positions.
I am Rhythm from 10th class. I help in developing the front end of this project. Question that arises when discovering outer space is that how can we visualize outer space? Space visualization is a complex task, but with the help of virtual reality with accurate movement, it is an easy task.
Space. Now let's make you see the prototype of our project work. This is the virtual space which we have made for the purpose of simulation. In this, we can add objects by commanding through speaking. Here's the demo. Add an object named Sun at the origin with having 10 units of mass. Further on, we can add other objects such as add an object named Earth at x is equal to 50, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. Similarly, now add an object named Mars at x is equal to 80, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. Here we can visualize other celestial bodies like comets, asteroids, so on. add an comet named Halley's Comet at x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200, z is equal to 0. Now, the interesting thing is that we can change the properties of added objects. Like as increase the mass of the sun by 2. Here we can see that by increasing the mass of the sun, the gravitational force between the sun and the planets that get also increased. Hence, it results in changing their orbits.
So what advantages our visualization have? By all this, it makes the things much easier while exploring space. Even on the other hand, it encourages the curiosity of everyone to know how our universe behaves or works like in reality. By making the view of the path that changes due to gravitational pull on the object, it makes things much easier to explore space. And moving ahead, let us see the abilities of our project. As we also see earlier, that we are able to add celestial bodies in the virtual space, including with their specific properties and a certain location. Hence, all this makes movements due to the gravitational and centripetal force. By all these abilities, we are able to make a 3D diagram of our outer space, which can perform the real-time movements to help us visualize how our space works.
What makes this project extraordinary? Our project is added with the flavor of assistance using AI-powered interactor from which user can ask the details in user-friendly way. What is the importance of this project? Our project is important because it is easy to locate and check the celestial bodies with respect to other. And it helps us to predict the orbits of bodies in space. It gives us a three-dimensional view. This is helpful in predicting the path of asteroids or any other bodies in the void.
For making things much clearer, let us put an eye on the page or the core workings of this project. We made this possible using high-level interpreted language like Python and uses one of its major packages named VPython for 3D visualization. Hope you understand our project. Thank you.